So, decided I want to take y'all deep into the mind of little Timmy Rogers and start to record things that I'm watching and price stuff that I watch to see if I can get a trade opportunity off of it. And if it happens when I'm sleeping or I can't, then I'll just utilize that to assist me in my narrative moving forward. Because every trade is not my trade. But right now, what I'm looking at, you see here, I've set an alert on the NQ up here at 23,558 and a quarter. That alert, it says NQ took engineered buy side liquidity relative equal highs at 23,558 and a quarter. Why am I looking for that? Because right now we are treetop tall, right? We're treetop tall and we've gapped up at all-time highs. All right. So I don't want to buy in a premium. All right. I don't want to buy in a premium. So instead of trying to look for reasons to buy in a premium, I noticed that the NQ has engineered buy side liquidity up here. Okay. And we still have a huge liquidity void down here. So before I want to try and sell, right, I want to see a manipulation of buy side liquidity first. And the algorithm has engineered buy side liquidity here. So I got an alert set for let me know when we take out that engineered buy side liquidity. And then once we take out that buy side liquidity, then I'll be looking to see, hey, is it offering me? Does it give me a setup? Now that we've manipulated this liquidity out, is it giving me a setup to the downside? But Tim, what if it doesn't go take out that buy side liquidity? Okay, then that's not the trade that I'm looking to get into, because if I want to sell, I want to sell in the premium, and I want to sell in the premium after a manipulation of buy side has happened. If it doesn't give me what I want, no harm, no foul. See you in the next one.